Good day, welcome back to our lesson. So today I'm going to show you how to do the method. We are going to create the method with argument and with return value. Okay, so first we are going to do the program with the example to calculate the BMI. Okay, first thing we want to create the object for the method. How to create the object for the method? Number one, we must know our class name. So this is our class name BMI. So I start with the class name BMI and my object name. So I put my object name as task equal to new BMI bracket and semicolon. So this is create method object. Okay, so we have our input for the weight and the input for the height. So now I have to calculate the next process will be calculate the BMI. So now I want to call a method to calculate the BMI. So I can straight away write down system dot out dot print. Okay, so I want to display the message first. BMI equal to plus. So how to call the method? So start with the object name. So my object name is task. So task dot. So the method that I'm going to create is how to count the process of calculate the BMI. So I call it maybe body BMI. Okay, so I will pass the argument. What are my argument to pass? Which is the weight and height. So W for the weight and height for H. I written there. Okay, so I'm going to close it for the print output. So this is I call the method. Next, I'm going to create the method definition. This is call method or method call. So as I told you before, we create the user defined method always outside the main method. So after the end of the main method, so I'm going to define my method. Okay, my method. So I have the return value. What is my return value? So I pass the argument, the value of my arguments WH, the data type is double. So my return value for my method should be double. So, and then my method name is body BMI. Okay, body BMI. So double body BMI. So what are my parameters? My parameters should be double the data type for my parameters. So W, comma, double H, which is the argument that I'm going to receive from my main method. So don't forget the braces and close the braces that I'm going to type how to calculate the BMI. Okay, so I'm going to declare the variable double BMI. Okay, how to calculate the BMI? So BMI equal to weight divided by height times don't forget the semicolon again. I am going to return the value of BMI. So return BMI. Okay, done. It's very easy, right? So this is the method definition. So this is method definition. Okay, so we try to run our program. Okay, enter weight in kilogram, 46.1 maybe, and the height 155. Sorry, meter, right? 1.55 maybe. Okay, so is our program work? Yes, it's very easy, right? So number one, again, is 3 statements that you need to remember to create the method. Number one, you have to create the object for the method. How to create? Call the class name followed by the object name. Okay, next, you are going to call the method. Okay, I call my method in the output. So task dot BMI, body BMI. Body BMI is my method name. Okay, my method name. So the argument that I want to pass is the output. Okay, the output, width and height. Then I call the method here. Next, then I'm going to do the method definition. To do the method definition, this is the user-defined method. So I have to do it outside the main method. Okay, outside the main method. So my return value should be the double. Okay, and then my method name is body BMI. And the parameters, which are the values that I received from the main method, are in double of the data type 2. So double W and double H, comma, because I have 2 parameters. Okay, then I have to calculate the BMI in the method. Okay, so calculate BMI, and then I return the value to the main method. Okay, so and then followed by the end class. It's very easy, right? Okay, have a good try. Thank you very much for your attention.